What's up everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. We'll be unboxing the RYNOX Gears Urban X gloves and Defender Pro mask. So let us see. Nice. So let's see how the Urban X gloves is. So the Urban X, it comes with the woodland camouflage effect over here. You can see it, and this thing is something similar to the ones which they have on the jacket. And this is a CE certified gloves, a fully CE certified gloves. And let's try it on. The fit and finish is somewhat similar to the Tornado Pro gloves, and it has the same RYNOX scaphoid protection system over here, SPS, and they had our own polyurethane protection over here, and TPU protectors on the knuckles. This is a premium grade kind of gloves, and it's soft and reinforced leather panels for abrasion zones. Everything is there. And here you can see that silicone one which we had on the other gloves also, Tornado Pro gloves. And this is a mid-length street fit gloves. It's not the half, it's not the full, it's a mid-length. You have a girth adjust around the wrist, so you can adjust and tie the gloves. And it has touch-friendly tap fingertips. You can use the mobile phones with this on the both gloves, both sides of the gloves, both fingers. And it is lightweight, and there is 3D mesh over here and here, so that you can get an air ventilations. And this comes at the price of 3,450, and that's a decent pricing, and it looks good. A person who loves a black-white combination and the camo, all this, it's a good combination for that, and it's a perfect finish. And I would recommend this because it's the exact same one of the Tornado Pro gloves, the fit and finish, everything. And this is extended one, and over here you have a protection over here. It looks good, and it fits perfectly, and it feels good also. And if you want to purchase these gloves, you can go directly to their dealers, or you can visit their website and you can purchase from there. Now let us see the RYNOX Defender Pro R95 mask. This comes with a 6-layer protection, and as you can see, it is written here, it's a 6-layer protection, and it is reusable, and washable, outdoor protection, anti-pollution, anti-dust, antibacterial, splash resistant. And it has a strap which you can tie it over here, and you don't need to connect to your ears. You can directly connect to your head. It gives an extra protection, and it doesn't have a pain on your ear. Then this comes at the price of 150 rupees, that is 149, and it's available with RYNOX, and I think it is available with the dealers. You can contact your nearest dealers for this. It's cool mask. And it has a steel clip over here, so that you can just connect to your nose and push. Hope you all liked the video. You can comment down your doubts and suggestions in the comment box, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.